We're in Punta Mita, Mexico, and this is Casa del Faro in 90 seconds.
Casa del Faro is an incredible 18,000 square foot estate in Punta Mita that boasts some of the best views and surf in all of Mexico. Greg, take it away.
So at Casa del Faro, we have 10 suites and 14 baths, so we can accommodate groups up to 28 people. And our bathrooms are equally as impressive as our rooms. And this is the outdoor area of the house where you've got this awesome pool and spa. You can swing over the pool, which is really fun. You can challenge your friends to a game of pool, and it's a front row seat to El Faro, which is one of the best surf breaks in all of Mexico. You can actually see whales jump in the backgrounds. We love food so much at Casa del Faro. We have not one, but 2 kitchens, wood-burning grill, and our pizza oven. And the only thing better than the food is our service, which is perfecto. We've got 12 full-time staff. This is our fitness center, where we've got all the latest state-of-the-art equipment. This is our theater and game room, so you can watch the big game in here. And when the sun goes down, Casa del Faro becomes the most amazing place ever. We do fire shows. People dance with fire to music, and we have our own Casa del Faro private fireworks shows. We're located on one of 2 championship golf courses here in Punta Mita. Plus, our guests can use all 5 beach clubs in Punta Mita. You never run out of fun things to do at Casa del Faro. Have a great time.